How to turn off concert notifications on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off concert notifications on Spotify. First go to Spotify and then click this icon to go to settings, and now you need to find this one, notifications. Click on it, and now click this one, concert notifications, and turn this one off, and turn this one off if you don't want notifications on your email. And that's how to turn off concert notifications on Spotify. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.